Is there a magic wand that you can wave that will cast a spell and create the magic that will keep you doing your art? I say yes. I say you can create a magic wand for yourself. Roll up a piece of paper. Secure it with a piece of tape. Make a little black band on one end of it. And there you have it. Magic of this sort, it isn't real. So why do we believe that something outside of our own brains and thinking can have an effect on us? Something that a critic says 3,000 miles away. They read something we have written, maybe a post, maybe a video like this. They say, "That's not true. You're full of it. Who do you think you are? You're just a poser." So I guess things that we cannot touch actually are kind of powerful. And with that in mind, why can't you create a magic wand that you can wave and incant the God of creativity that will support you as you continue your journey to do your art? Why can't you? Belief is probably the number one element that divides those who are successful and those who are wannabes. Belief. Belief in yourself. Belief in yourself is number one. Easy to say. Sometimes the belief comes from maybe an experience that you have endured, suffered, had the pleasure in the past, and we want to revisit that thing, or we never want to revisit that thing. So those two options can come into play. You've had success, therefore, you keep doing the same thing to rekindle that success. And you get locked in to maybe one product that sells well, but eventually it's killing your soul because you have lost the creative juices that started it in the first place. Then again, maybe somebody said something negative about what you have made. And that too is so powerful. It can derail you. It can knock you off the path temporarily, and sometimes the temporary becomes permanent. What do? You keep going. But maybe if you wave that magic wand and say, "I banish this thought. This thought cannot control me any longer. This thought has no basis in reality. I am more powerful than this thought. And then poof, send it away into the dark spaces at the bottom of your closet. This month I'm talking every day about creativity and finding the power to do your art, because making art will make you happier. I know there's proof in that. There is much study to support that. And even when you feel like you're not good enough, or you don't have the right supplies or the right resources, you're knocking yourself down before you even begin. That's when you pull out that magic wand and you say, Spirit of creativity, come to me tonight. Be at my side as I begin this process. Support me, guide me when I'm making decisions. Let me know the right thing to do. And poof, it will happen. Because belief will make it happen. And magic, maybe magic is real if we think of it that way. I'm Dr. B, the Creativity Sensei. It is my goal and my mission to inspire you to do your art. If you want to have a private consultation, visit my website and sign up. I will give you a 30-minute consultation and give you some ideas that will spark your own creativity. Maybe we'll even make a magic wand together. That's it for today. Be well. A bientôt.